Working as a freelancer has a lot of good things about it. You can be your own boss, set your own prices, and have a lot of freedom that many other jobs don't have. But there is one thing that many freelancers have a hard time with: keeping track of payment. Well, hi there, my name's Abdullah, and today I will be showing you how to get paid the right way as a freelancer. My team and I post valuable business and web design topics regularly, and if this is what you're interested in, consider subscribing today.
According to research by Freelancers Union, more than 70% of freelancers have had trouble getting paid at least once in their careers, with an average loss of $6,000 a year. I had the same problems getting paid on time when I was younger. While you can be sure that a client will pay you, there are ways to make it easier to get paid. In other words, it's a good idea to buy an invoicing software that makes it easy to sync payments. Here, we'll give you advice on how to make it more likely that you'll get paid, and we'll also show you how to make the process easier for your clients. If you want to make it easier to get paid, you need to choose an invoicing software. There are some things you can do to avoid non-paying clients and get paid faster. Here are some ideas. Number 1. Make certain that your clients are satisfied with your service. Make sure you know what you're getting into before taking on a new freelance job. Make sure the person who wants to work with you is from a well-known company that pays freelancers. You can also reach out to other freelancers who write for the publication or blog and ask them about how much they get paid. If you want to work as a freelancer, you have to be very careful about who you choose. A big reason for being picky about who you work with is to make sure that you get paid what you're worth. And number 2, talk about money right away. Let's get used to talking about money. There are times when it can be awkward, but that shouldn't be the case. After all, the reason you sign a contract with someone is to give them a service in exchange for money. As soon as possible, talk about how much you charge, how to pay, and how long it will take to pay. There was a time when I hired someone to help me with some work. I got the first email from her and she told me about her prices right away. And I also asked if pay-year was a good payment method. Yes, it was. And it was a win-win situation. She was clear about her job, and I liked it. Number 3. If clients say your prices are too high, say no. If a client says that you're expensive, you have to say no to them because they will not pay you on time and will always complain about your rates. This will save you time and energy from indulging in a frustrating payment situation with that client in the future. Number 4. Make your client sign a contract too. It is important for every freelancer proposal to include project details, outline the scope of work, include a contract, and set a price for each service or deliverable. There should be also a note that the payment terms, for example, net 0, net 30, or net 60. Number 5. Strive for net 0 payment terms. The best clients are the ones who pay you right away when you send them your invoice. Yes, these clients are real and are good clients. Getting a customer to accept net 0 terms isn't always easy. This is especially true if you work for a big company with a lot of accounting stuff and set rules. Because of this, you should ask clients for payment terms that don't require them to pay anything. So it's easier for you to get paid right away rather than have your clients forget about your bill. Ensure that you're paid before you begin. Instead of waiting until you've done all the work and sent in all the deliverables to get paid, ask for a deposit to start getting paid. A lot of freelancers will ask for 50% of the money upfront. Then some people will ask for the whole fee upfront. Number 7. Invest in invoicing software. Another important thing to do in the whole process to make it easier for you to get paid on time is to use invoicing software. When you switch from a bank to a credit card, you will see a rise in your payments. Then you will switch from paper bills to electronic ones that send automated reminders. If you work as a freelancer, these are some things you should look for in invoicing software. Low cost. If you're a one-hand band, you shouldn't have to pay a lot for invoicing software. Choose one that doesn't cost a fortune. Pick software that sends automatic emails to your clients to remind them that they owe you money. It's a good idea to buy invoicing software that works with your accounting program. The software you select should be able to communicate with your bank. This means that a customer can click on a button on your invoice and pay with credit card or PayPal. It might be worth to buy software that lets you see which clients have paid and which clients haven't. This will make it easier to find the money that has been paid. Here are some invoicing tools for freelancers that you might want to check out now, and you know what to look for. The first invoicing software in our list is number 1, Invoicely. Invoicely is a great program for people who work for themselves. Those who do not have many clients and only send invoices once in a while can use it for free. For people who have a lot of clients and send out many bills, there are 3 different plans. The basic one, the professional one, and the enterprise plan. The good news is that even with the enterprise plan, it costs only $29.99 a month, which is a good deal. The second invoicing software in our list is Wave Invoicing. This feature-rich invoicing system makes it easy to send invoices and get paid online. It also lets you track your time and expenses and report on them. Wave Invoicing is another piece of software you should look into seriously. It's better to use Wave if you're a freelancer who works with a small team or hires subcontractors. Wave can help you with invoicing, accounting, online management, online payment, and payroll. Payroll can be a big help if you have to pay your team or subcontractors. It's good to have payroll integrated into your invoicing and accounting software. The Wave software or invoicing system is also cheap. It has a free, pay-as-you-go, and monthly payment plan based on how many features you use. The next invoicing software that we recommend in this video is FreshBooks. FreshBooks is a type of accounting software that includes invoices, and if you run a big business as a freelancer or do a lot of complicated accounting, FreshBooks is the way to go. FreshBooks has accounting, integrations, expenses, mileage tracking, online payments, proposals, time tracking, invoices, estimates, clients, mobile capabilities, projects, and reports. Great for freelancers. This is a great all-in-one tool. It will help you run a lot of different parts of your business.
I hope you make the best choice of the list we mentioned in this video, and if you find this content important, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. My team and I will be posting valuable content regularly in this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.